Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Pick a 2 to 5 liter clear plastic jug and mark bottom drain and port locations. Drill pilot holes with a 1/8 in bit, then enlarge to match your 3/16 in tubing so fittings seat snugly. Once holes are cut, dry fit tubes and ports. Make sure alignment allows even nectar flow. Prepare nectar by dissolving 1 part white sugar into 4 parts boiled water, cool to room temperature. While cooling, apply silicone to each fitting area, then let a few minutes tack up before assembly. Now assemble. Insert the 3/16 in tubing into each port and secure with small hose clamps so they won't pull free when birds feed. Route tubes slightly upward inside the reservoir to maintain a steady gravity feed and trim excess tubing flush. Apply aquarium-safe silicone around every external and internal joint. Smooth it to avoid gaps. Make sure the top fill cap seals well and that perches and a predator guard are attached. Once sealed, place a drip tray under the ports to collect spills. Finish by filling the reservoir with cooled nectar and priming each tube until nectar appears at every port. This prevents airlocks. Hang the feeder 5 to 6 feet high in a shaded spot and position it at least 3 feet from trees or structures to reduce predator launches. Monitor for the first day to confirm even flow. If you see leakage, immediately tighten clamps and reapply silicone around the affected joint. If the tubing is cracked, replace that segment. Then reprime and reinspect for airtight seals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.